mRNA lipid nanoparticle manufacturing is evolving, and innovative delivery technologies are required to expand this drug modality to new therapeutic applications. The NanoAssemblr commercial formulation system is an automated instrument that standardizes GMP manufacturing of genomic medicines. The system uses next-gen technology and low pulsation pumps for precise control of mixing parameters, and in-process monitoring of flow rate captures real-time feedback. Electronic batch records are enabled by intuitive 21 CFR Part 11 compliant software, resulting in an automated workflow of priming, calibrating, and formulating, combined with inline dilution. The system is also ATEX and IECEX rated to ensure safety when handling flammable solvents during lipid nanoparticle formulation. The single-use fluid path reduces the risk of cross-contamination and can be installed and ready for formulation in less than 60 minutes, supporting efficient changeover between batches. Single-use technology enables flexible multi-product and multi-process workflows that allow the manufacture of multiple RNA products in the same facility. The next-gen cartridge uses the same scalable mixing architecture as the NanoAssemblr Ignite and Blaze, ensuring consistent critical quality attributes throughout development and expediting technology transfer from process development to GMP production. Aqueous and organic fluids are rapidly mixed together in a controlled and reproducible manner, encapsulating the RNA and protecting the highly sensitive payload from degradation during delivery to the target site. This results in homogeneous lipid nanoparticles with a narrow size distribution and enhanced encapsulation efficiency. The NanoAssemblr commercial formulation system simplifies regulatory compliance, reduces the risk of cross-contamination, and increases efficiency and flexibility for GMP manufacturing of mRNA vaccines and therapeutics.